6 habits that make you smarter. Everyone knows about the last one, but only few people are taking action. Let me know which one you are. If you can't remember all 6 at once, you can save this video and watch it later. These habits will not just make you smarter, but evolve you into a better version of yourself. 1. Read, read, read. A surefire way to stimulate your mind and discover new ideas. It enhances concentration and offers a wealth of knowledge. 2. Follow up with your questions. Ignite your curiosity to enhance learning retention and understanding of the world around you. 3. Make an I did list. Reflecting on daily accomplishments fuels a sense of achievement and self-confidence, driving your motivation. 4. Write down your daily ideas. Jotting down thoughts prevents good ideas from escaping and enhances cognitive processing and organizational skills. 5. Watch educational videos. A smart way to use screen time. Benefits include triggering visual learning, memory retention, and comprehension of complex concepts. 6. Plan your week. Adds structure to your vision, encourages goal setting, and allows you to track progress towards your objectives. Drop a 100 if you read this far. This shows you are part of the 0.01% who actually finish what they start. If you are serious about changing your life, then make sure to join our movement by leaving us a follow.